Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can enable the separate number row for the keyboard on this device. So as you will see right now, there is no separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard. So in order to enable it, you gotta access the keyboard settings either by tapping on this gear, or opening the settings themselves, looking for the advanced settings category. At the advanced settings, you gotta go to the languages and input. Here, tap on the on-screen keyboard and choose the currently set keyboard. In my case, and by default, it's going to be the Gboard. Here at the Gboard settings menu, go for the preferences, and all that's left to do is to turn on this number row switch. And as you will see right now, that will ultimately mean that the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!